this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm gonna show you how you can change different option of your dock. For example, magnify option, big and small option, or even replacement or the place changing. I hit the Apple logo and I go to the system references. Here you have 1, 2 and 3rd option, dock. You can see the size you can change. I put it small, it's super small. If you don't want to see so much big, you can put as this. I put medium, I put huge is a large option. You can decide as you like. You see how bigger, smaller it becomes. After that you have magnify option. I put medium magnification, nothing. Minimum, nothing. I put maximum, you see the magnification option. If you put more small, it's magnify more bigger. You see, you can see bigger. When you have more bigger, magnify still but not that big. Put medium here. Also you can change the position as you want, left, right, bottom, whatever you want. If you don't want something from here, you want to throw them out, you don't use. For example, here this recent I take out, it's gone. Safari browser, if I don't use, here you can put as this. For example, remove from the dock. If it's not going, you have to open option, remove from the dock, is gone. So anything you want and you can put back. For example, launch, I go anything I want to put here. For example, Google Doc. Drag and drop, that is all. So this is how you can modify your dock in your iMac, MacBook Pro or any other version of Apple computer. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.